Hello, today I wanted to show you our submission for the PPA produce redesign package. And so with this, we wanted to create a package for Honeycrisp apples. And so we created a box here that pretty much just reinvents the plastic bag that you're used to seeing apples packaged in. And so with this, we wanted to kind of create these nature-inspired colors here that really captures your eye and makes the consumer just drawn to the product. And so this box packages about 8 Honeycrisp apples, and of course with that we wanted to go on the honeycomb design, and as you can see, this is all around the package. And this, while this symbolizes kind of what the product is, we also wanted to make a call back to nature, where you're actually getting your product from. And with that, we wanted to kind of promote sustainability, promote using these paperboard packaging instead of the plastic option. So with this, we created this box, which is great for storage, great for stackability. As you can see, it's just your standard box here, and we have a thumb hole or finger hole, of course, that is half of a honeycomb, but you use that and you open it up, and it's clean white on the inside. There's no color there. And when we have some drainage holes here for where the 6 apples are going to sit, and of course we still have some holes on the top for oxygen to get to the product. And then from there it just kind of closes. But once the box is open, you can see that there are 2 closing sides here on the side, where from the blank everything just kind of closes in. And then there is a perforated top here on the lid, which I don't want to rip off right now, but there's a perforated line here, so once you remove this, you can display your apples kind of as a fridge pack in your fridge. So all right, that is that. Thank you so much.